Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the iced toast vanilla oat shaken espresso from Starbucks. So this is one of their newer drinks and I saw it on the menu board there. I was told it's not that good, but I want to try this out and see what I think about it because I like anything vanilla and toasted vanilla just sounds cool to me. So there's 4 pumps of the toasted vanilla syrup in this, and then it's got espresso, a blonde espresso, ice and all that. But I'm going to go right ahead here and see what this is all about. Okay. The toasted vanilla makes it kind of like more a marshmallow tasting. It's vanilla-y, but like toasted, I guess. I don't know how to put that, but it's very soft and fluffy feeling, like marshmallow, basically. That's interesting. I like it, though. It's not as bad as I was told it was. Yeah, toasted vanilla is good. It's sweet like vanilla, but it's a little bit different. Normal vanilla is very like strong. This kind of has like it's toasted, like a burnt kind of taste to it. Not like it's burnt, but just a little toasted. Like if you cooked a marshmallow over the fire and you got that like crispiness, that's what it kind of tastes like. And it's good. I like that. It's interesting. It's got that oat beverage taste to it. Like I find that oat drinks have that oat consistency to them. This one's no different. It's got that same consistency, similar to the brown sugar oat shake and espresso. Very similar to that drink. I actually find these drinks are very, very alike in that sense. This one's more vanilla flavored. The other one is more like a cinnamon flavor, brown sugar. Still very good though. Yeah, toasted vanilla is nice. It's sweet, but not too powerful. Interesting, and I like it. It's good. I would give the iced toasted vanilla oat shaken espresso. It's a mouthful. I would give this a 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. Not my absolute favorite. I could see myself getting sick of this if I drank this a bunch because it is a different taste with the toasted vanilla. But just switching it up, I think this drink's very good. So go try it out. If you've never had it before, it's still very good. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.